How you going, guys? Welcome back to another video. On this one, I'm going to run through the prep and primer stage of this little trike that I custom painted. Now, I did record every single step of the way through all the 4 different candy colors on the seat, through to the cobalt blue candy base coat over the bike, to the silver flare on the tank, and how I virtual chromed the forks and the wheels. Now, with that said, guys, this will be spread over multiple videos, so if you're interested to see how I painted this bike, hit that like and subscribe button so you don't miss out on this multiple part series. Alright, so here's the bike. I paid $15 for this bike from Big W, and it's for a family member of mine. Now, I decided that I needed to take this bike apart so I could do all the plastic cleaning, priming and painting on it without having any paint edges or missed painted areas. I used some pliers, got that main pin out of the forks and got those off the body. Now, in regarding the prep on this, because it is plastic and I'm planning to wet and wet prime and paint this all in one hit, I'm going to use red Scotch-Brite over the whole bike, and then I'll be able to use the DNA Paints plastic cleaner over the bike, make sure that it is all nice and clean. I used, as you can see, the cable ties on the bike so I can hang it up so I'm not handling any of the parts while painting. Once they're all nice and clean, I've used the DNA Paints a plastic primer in the 1.2 Welcome Carbonio 360 light. I applied 2 coats, and that's pretty much it. Stay tuned for the next video, guys, where we run through the wet and wet primer and getting this all based up and clear coated.